If you can hang a picture, you can hang your own drapes. Just grab a measuring tape, pen, and a piece of paper. Start by following these easy steps to measure for grommet or pleated drapes. First, measure the width of your window. If it has a frame, measure to the outer edges on both sides. Add 4 to 8 inches to each side. The extra width allows for more light to come through when your drapes are open, and to keep light from coming through the sides when they're closed. Jot down the total width on a piece of paper. To measure the height or length you need, decide first how high you want to place your drapery rod. A minimum of 4 and maximum of 12 inches above the top of the window is recommended. Pleats and grommets are included in the length of your drapery. If you're measuring for grommet-style drapes, measure from the top of the rod down to where you want the bottom of the panel to hang. For sill-length drapes, measure the height from the rod position to the top of the sill. If you want them to hang slightly below the sill, add an inch or 2 to your measurement. Floor-length drapes typically hang about a ½ inch off the floor. You'll need to adjust the length of your pleated drapes depending upon how you want to hang them. If you'll be using a rod and rings, deduct the height of your rod plus the rings from the length. If you'll be using a standard traverse rod or track, deduct the height of the track. For either style, if you want your drapes to puddle on the floor, add 1 to 10 inches or more to the length to create the luxurious look you like. Jot down the total height you need to order. Now you're ready to order. Your measurements will be automatically adjusted at the factory to allow for the correct fullness of your drapes. When they arrive, all you need to hang grommet draperies is a decorative rod. Pleated drapes can be hung on a rod with rings or on a traverse track. That's it! Now just sit back and enjoy your beautiful new drapes and curtains from Select Blinds.